Hello everyone. Welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is rare earth corridors. This topic relates to Indian economy section of the UPSC CSE syllabus. Let's see why this is in news. The Union Budget 2026 to 27, introduced on 1st February 2026, proposed the establishment of dedicated rare earth corridors in the coastal states of Odisha, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Andhra Pradesh. The move aims to reduce India's dependence on rare earth imports, particularly from China, and strengthen domestic manufacturing of rare earth minerals. This proposal is also part of India's broader strategy to secure essential minerals critical for electric vehicles, renewable energy, and defense technologies. Now let's discuss about dedicated rare earth corridor. The proposal focuses on setting up dedicated rare earth corridors in coastal states, with an emphasis on beach sand minerals, BSM. BSM contains monazite, a mineral rich in uranium and thorium, which are crucial for various technologies. The government will support mining, processing, and research activities in these regions to promote the manufacturing of sintered rare earth permanent magnets, REPM. The plan includes 7,280 crore rupees for supporting REPM manufacturing capacity and the creation of a capital subsidy to help set up related facilities. Now let's discuss about its significance. Rare earth minerals are essential for the renewable energy sector, electric vehicles, and electronics. Currently, India heavily relies on imports, especially from China, which controls over 90% of global rare earth processing and manufacturing. By establishing these corridors, India aims to strengthen its domestic supply chain, reduce reliance on imports, and meet growing demand for these critical materials. This initiative is part of India's broader push towards self-reliance in key sectors and its clean energy transition. Now it's time to do a practice question. Consider the following statements regarding the proposal for rare earth corridors in India. 1. The rare earth corridors will be established in the states of Odisha, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Andhra Pradesh. 2. The main goal of these corridors is to promote mining, processing, research, and manufacturing within India, not primarily to export rare earths. Which of the above statements is or are correct? A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. Both 1 and 2, D. Neither 1 nor 2. Send the answer for this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.